This is an easy loader boat trailer, 5 lug, and it's got reliable oil filled hubs. And I'm going to change the oil in the hub. So you got a set screw right there on top, little plug, kind of like changing the oil in your car. And turn this upside down, and you can see, hopefully you can see, it's kind of dark, the oil is coming out. It is coming out slowly. So we'll take a little break. See, there's fine this little stream of oil coming out of there, and the hub is still about half full. So we're going to be here a while. So the manufacturer calls for 50 weight conventional oil. Nobody around here stocks 50 weight conventional oil. And if you order one off the internet, a quart of it's like $35. So I'm going with Lucas hub oil. I think it may be a little thicker than what the manufacturer calls for, but it'll be alright. Now, theoretically, should be able to just cut the end of this off, stick it down in there, squeeze that oil in, good to go, right? Wrong. This stuff is thick. I mean like Karo syrup thick. So the only way I could figure out how to do it, I got this meat tenderizer, and of course it has slots on the end, so meat injector. I said tenderizer, but it has slots on the side, so when you stick it down in the meat and squeeze the injection, it goes out that way. Well, I've cut those off, because I had this for another project where I had to cut that off. So what I do, and this stuff is so thick you have to pull this and like weight on it to come up in there. And then I put this in there. It's hard to squeeze. Come back. Even with this, it's a slow process. But trying to pour that thick stuff down in this little hole is almost impossible. Or I don't have the patience for it, one of the two. Trying to squeeze it out of the bottle didn't work at all. See, I'm pulling really hard to force that down in there, force that through that needle. But it's going in there. But see how thick that stuff is? You gotta really squeeze. Hopefully you can see it's starting to go in there. But it's only about right there, and it needs to be at least half full. So I'm going to shut the video off. But if you go, even squeezing with that, if you go too fast, this hole will fill up and the air will trap and you'll spill it out around there. Trying a little more close up. Maybe you can see if I get the angle right and don't block the lens. But the oil's about right there now. I can see it that way. this way. Yeah, this way you might be able to see it. And then this is a 3/16 Allen wrench. Yours may take the same one, it may take a different one. I'll try to get in there. That's the drain hole or fill hole. Now, you wouldn't think a little bitty boat tire like this would be hard to line the lug nuts up, but it really is. And I don't know if this is not the original wheels, but they kind of think they are. They're galvanized like the trailer is. But a car tire has a little rim around there, the same size as this, same as this. A car tire has a rim around there, the same as this. You put the tire up on the rim, and then they're the right distance. But this one does not. See, it rattles around everywhere. So with only one person, it's kind of difficult. But you can get it done. Here's an interesting thing on a finishing note, and thanks for watching, by the way. This oil is so thick, you think it's half full, by the time you get the wheel and things back on, it's almost completely full. See, it's well over half now. Hopefully you can see that. So that worked out really well. Thanks for watching.